Welcome all to Nature's Pearls. Today, let us watch a beautiful and colorful butterfly that belongs to Nymphalidae family, namely Gaudy Baron butterfly. Wow, here is the wonderful Gaudy Baron butterfly that perches on Tulsi plant, that is the Ocimum sanctum species that sprouted in my home garden. So this Gaudy Baron butterfly is a widely distributed species which is found in the Himalayas from Himachal Pradesh on the west to Northeast Asia and in the Western Ghats. The upper side of the butterfly is dark greenish brown. Forewing consists of a bar across middle and a bar beyond the apex of the cell, crimson bordered with black. Look. A slightly oblique transverse discal series of small white spots from costa to interspace. That is followed by a pre-apical curved row of 4 similar spots and a transverse and subterminal series of elongated black spots forming an obscure band. Now the hind wing consists of a crescent-shaped black loop near apex of the cell area, a curved post-discal series of 4 to 5 crimson spots outwardly bordered with black, and the subcostal spot the largest. Just look, very wonderful one. It belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera and family Nymphalidae, and its scientific name is Euthalia lubentina. In this video, you can see its gentle movement on the ground, so close to my home ground. Within a short time, it became a friend of mine. It rested on my palm. The Gaudy Baron had decided that it was time to cheer me up. So lovely to watch. It is a beautiful member of the Nymphalidae family of butterflies, also known as brush-footed butterflies. While most butterflies have 3 pairs of legs, the forelegs of brush-footed butterflies are reduced to a brush-like appearance. So the brilliantly colored butterfly sat quietly for a long time, and it gives me an amazing sight. A patient butterfly watcher will always be rewarded. It is basking in the sun by sitting on my hand. Just look. Very cute, guys. Here you can see its ventral view also, and it is simultaneously opening and closing its wings. Look, very amazing creatures. The gaudy green coloration of these butterflies spotted with red, black and white is so fantastic to watch. It then wonderfully perches on the violet-colored flowers of my garden. Female of this species is similar but paler. The discal series of white spots are very large in female and also very irregular in shape. It lays eggs on the Lawrantaceae family of flowering plants. These plant species typically grow in the upper canopy, which is where this butterfly spends a lot of its time. Butterflies are beauty queens of nature and are important pollinators and play a major role in maintaining ecological balance. Hope you enjoyed the beauty of Gaudy Baron, Euthalia lubentina. Please share the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you all dears for watching.